back to iTrapper viewers. Today, I am going to get my battery replaced. Turn down this music a little bit. You already know what it is. Anyways, going to the Apple store right now. Kind of a vlog style. Using my old iPhone right now to film this, but I don't know how much I'll film there because they might not, they might not like that. So, yeah. Anyways, I will let you guys know how the experience goes. It's supposed to be 29 bucks. Should take about an hour, but we'll see. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Alright, quick update. My appointment is at 5:30. I got 4 minutes to get there. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. Just kidding, I will. It's the next exit, but fuck. Of course the traffic has to be really bad when I'm trying to do this. Oh well. Alright, updates in a minute. Oh shit, I think we made it, guys. Alright, it's 5:30, but I can get in there pretty quick and I know where the Apple store's at. Let's get it.
Always on this skid it. Ooh, hopping out the rave and skid it.
Alrighty. They changed this place a little bit. Now the shitty part is finding parking here. This place absolutely sucks for parking. Whoa, you guys can't see shit out my tinted windows. Alright, let's just pull into a spot. Alrighty. Let's get it. This mall is the nicer one. If you guys are in the Cincinnati area, you probably know of it. Too much traffic. Oh, look at that Christmas tree. Looks sick. Alright, I probably can't film inside, but I'm not in some super liberal area, so people don't see vloggers all the time, so. Oh shit, that looks nice. No thanks, man. So, that was unsuccessful to say the least. Apparently, to replace the iPhone 10 battery, you have to replace the speaker too, and that adds $59. So, I'm going to go home, do some research on that, and see if that's true or not. Because I've never heard of that, but we'll find out. Alright, time to go home. This guy's car keeps going off. I don't know what the hell's wrong with him, but unsuccessful. They said it'll cost about $88 total to get this going. So I don't feel like it's worth it because my battery's at 90%, but that's pretty much going to conclude this vlog. So I asked him if it was the same for the iPhone XS and XS Max, and he said yes. So I don't know if he was just talking out of his ass or what, but yeah. So that's just a PSA to all you guys. If you want to get your iPhone X's battery replaced, you apparently have to replace the speaker as well, which costs an extra $58. So it's probably not worth it. But I'm going to go do some research on it, and if I find anything, I'll add it to this video. But otherwise, that's all I got. Check out 6ix9ine's new album. It's pretty lit. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. One sick car.